Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include steering wheel controls, sync, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, security system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.